So if you want to set up recurring investments in interactive brokers, it's pretty simple, and it's a really beneficial thing to do if you're doing like a dollar cost averaging strategy. So the first thing you want to do is you just want to click on trade, and you want to go to recurring investments. And so now that you're on recurring investments, you just click on create recurring investment. And so for the asset, you just want to type in the type of asset you want to buy, whether that's a stock or a fund. And so for example, here I could just put Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. And I will just click to confirm stock. And then from here, it's just the start date. So when do you want to start this dollar cost averaging, or when do you start when I'm making this recurring purchase of the stock? So you just put in the date you want there, and the amount is the amount of money you're going to buy. So is it going to be 100, 200, or 500? Then you can choose the interval. Naturally, like the less frequently you do it, the cheaper it's going to be, the fewer fees you're going to incur, because obviously there are transaction fees each time you buy or sell. I would go to monthly personally if this was me, but that's not investment advice, that's just what I would do. And then ending on or after, you can specify the date you want it to end, or if you just want this to be like an ongoing thing, like a lifetime commitment, you can just put no end date, and then you just click continue. So on the screen now, you'll see a few videos of some strategies that I've used to make 4,000, 5,000, that kind of money. If that interests you, have a little look, because I share like the strategy, I share the books that I learned this from, and just give you insights into tips and tricks and how I've managed to do this so that you can do this too. But look, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and speak to you soon. All the best.